love when they look good, they feel good. I think the biggest thing is trying to fit a certain look and mold. A lot of people are willing to risk their health to achieve that look. A lot of people are just used to the old way. So they don't really research any other options.
Hey guys, it's Charmaine here from blackhairandskincare.com, and it's time to take your crown back. Now, we're about to get into this video, but before we get into this video, look what Master P had to say about your girl.
What's up, y'all? This is Master P, and I just want to let you know black hair and skincare make you say, Black hair and skincare is made with non-toxic organic ingredients that benefit your hair and skin. The Mentrol is really nice. Use this coupon code CROWN and get 15% off today. The word CROWN, C-R-O-W-N. That's the code. Salute.
Now, y'all heard that coupon code CROWN because phthalates, which are androgen destructive toxic chemicals that also affects the brain, are found in many of our products that we use. Not just relaxers, not just perms, but also air fresheners. So, and supplies for kids such as teething toys and everything like that. Now, phthalates is linked to relaxers. Relaxers are linked to fibroids. Fibroids are linked to CCCA alopecia. This is why you have to be careful and with the products that you use. There are many of African American women who suffer from this. Now, there were findings and studies found that people who have CCCA alopecia have 5 times nearly have uterine fibroids as well. And they have been doing many studies. There are likely multiple cases of CCCA. Recently, a gene variant was found about 25% of patients that had CCCA, but these chemicals that they put in products are more than likely causing these mutant genes as well as causing the fibroids. So you have to be careful with the products that you use, even when it comes to the lotion that you put in your body. And it kind of reminds me to my my studies back when I first started doing everything when it comes to hair products. That's why I created my line, blackhairandskincare.com, is because I wanted to provide organic products that would help people that would not actually disturb their natural genes. I mean, it's really ridiculous. So there are mostly women who have CCCA, alopecia, or hair loss. It is linked to fibroids. Fibroids is linked to relaxers and also other hair products. So because of the phthalates. So guys, I just wanted to put this out there. I wanted you to be careful. Also, do your research. Do you have fibroids? If you have fibroids, comment below. Let us know what were your experiences with dealing with doctors telling them you have fibroids. And I'm going to do a video about endometriosis. Man, that is a whole nother topic. But I want you to comment below. Tell me your experience. Do you have fibroids? Have you ever got a relaxer? Have you ever used any of these personal care products that has phthalates in it that are linked to fibroids? So I want to hear your comments, and like and share this video. Bye.
I tried everything for years and years and years, but I put the oils and stuff on there, and my hair, y'all, is growing out so much. It's getting so long.
Black hair and skincare, listen, it's good. And it's the only thing that's been really working for me. It's worth it. It's really worth it.
I'll look at these people's results from her product. It's a blessing what she out here doing.
I have tried tons of hair growth oils over the years. This is the one that you guys comment on the most though. The one that you guys notice the most difference.
It is growing. I do have length.
It's been 2 weeks. I see progress. I see my hair.
Her products, they feel good, stimulates the scalp. The oil feels good, it stimulates the scalp.
Feels great. I love how my scalp feels. Like, I love that tingly, clean feeling. Like, my hair doesn't feel all crunchy. It feels really soft.
Y'all have to check out Black Hair and Skincare. The website is www.blackhairandskincare.com.
Blackhairandskincare.com. That's what I'm talking about, baby.